I'm going to introduce you to Korean alphabet and which are called Hangul. And in this video we are going to cover the first alphabet, and so let's go. Okay, so there are total 14 consonants and 10 basic vowels. So the 14 consonants are Okay, so here I need to tell you something. This is basically silent, and I'm putting this vowel to give this a sound to say. So this right now gonna sound like because this vowel have a sound of a, so it's gonna sound like Otherwise, this consonant doesn't have any sound. It's silent. So these are the 14 consonants, and here there are 10 basic vowels, and they are ya, o, yo, o, yo, These are the 10 basic vowels, and in this video, as I told you before, we are going to cover the first consonant, which is this one, and this is called Kyok, and it's written like this. So it actually contains only 2 strokes, 1 and 2. It's actually pretty easy, and I would like to suggest you, like after watching the video, you can just practice like here, like practice like this, and this will get to the Korean writing style. I prefer you to do this, especially in this, and let's get into the video. Okay, so our first consonant is this, and as you know, like there are writing rule in Korea. Like the Korean writing rule is first writing rule is like we go from left to the right and top to the bottom. We go like this. So these are the 2 Korean writing rules, left to right and top to bottom. So how we are gonna make this is like this and then this, only 2 strokes, 1 and then 2. Okay, so the pronunciation of this is between G and K, like somewhere between these 2 levels. Like in Korea, that's why I always prefer you not to use the Roman words in Korean, because sometimes you'll see K for this letter and sometimes you'll see G, and so that's why I would prefer you to make your own sound, like listen as much as you can, like see K-drama, K-series, and just see what they actually speak. Like as you see, it's not 감사합니다, not 감사합니다, it's 감사합니다, like 감사합니다. So it's between K and G, and the name of this consonant. Okay, so the name of this consonant is Kyok. Like here we are using these 2, and this is the same consonant, it's like Kyok. Okay, this thing Kyok. I think I made it a little bit messy like that. Okay, so let's just see this word by 5 words, and for every letter we are gonna do 5 words for each alphabet. So our first word is, might you all know the meaning of this letter. Can you read it? It's 고마워, 고마워, and this means thank you. It's in informal way, like it's not the formal one, it's informal, so don't use it with elders and for someone like in social work. You can use it with your friends and family, but not with somewhere elder than you. Second one, you all might know. It also means thank you, but it is formal one. This thank you is formal. You can use it with your like the person you are working with, or the elder person, or someone someone who's stranger to you. You can use this one for with them and not this one, because this might consider you as a rude person. So I prefer you to use formal way with stranger and the elder person. The next word is como, which means and. Like who they are, like for the dad sister we use como, and for the mom sister it's some other word. The next word is kabang. This means bag. It can be any kind of bag, okay? Like it's not like, it can be any bag, like handbag, backpack, any bag, okay? And the last and the final word is kavi. Kavi means scissors. As we play rock paper scissors, it's that scissor. Kai bai bo, kavi babi bo. So that's all for this video. We'll continue in our next video, and we are gonna cover the next consonant in that video. Bye bye.